Why your workout just doesn't work out. Does exercise really help you lose weight? In the United States alone, 78 million adults and 12.5 million children are considered obese or overweight. This means that approximately 1 in every 3 people have obesity. The rise in obesity prevalence over the last several decades has been paralleled by increases in food availability and food intake, while levels of energy expenditure have remained relatively low and stagnant. So it makes sense that one of the leading theories about weight gain is that it results from an imbalance between high levels of food intake and low levels of physical activity or energy expenditure. Let's take a look at some of the major determinants of weight in the average adult, which include developmental determinants, genetics, age, race and ethnicity, food intake, and physical activity. The factors that people have most control over are their food intake and physical activity. Ideally, in order to maintain a stable weight, calories in, that is, the calories you consume in the foods that you eat, should equal calories out, the calories you burn through physical activity. When calories in is greater than calories out, this results in weight gain and the storage of fat. Okay, so this seems simple enough. If I exercise, shouldn't I be able to burn off more calories than I eat and lose weight? Unfortunately, this isn't quite the case. Let's first break down what goes into physical activity. Total daily energy expenditure is the sum of 4 different things. First, your resting metabolic rate is the energy required for essential body functions like breathing. Second, the thermal effect of feeding is the energy needed to digest food in your body. Third, non-exercise activity thermogenesis includes energy used for muscular activity like shivering and fidgeting, as well as daily activities. Finally, exercise activity thermogenesis is energy expenditure due to purposeful exercise, like going to the gym and working out. When you exercise, you increase your exercise activity thermogenesis. So what goes wrong for most people that exercise but don't observe expected levels of weight loss? There are 2 good reasons. The first is that we tend to overestimate the power of exercise. In fact, 70% of people believe that exercise is a very effective way to lose weight. However, what most people don't know is that you need a whole lot of exercise to burn even a small number of calories. Here are a few examples to illustrate this. In order to burn a burger and fries, you would need to spend 141 minutes on the elliptical. To burn a donut, 88 minutes of crunches. For a milkshake, 72 minutes of jumping rope. For a soda and a bag of chips, 57 minutes of brisk walking. And to burn a simple chocolate bar, 22 minutes of running. The second reason why exercise is ineffective for most people is because high-intensity exercise tends to increase post-workout appetite. Most people tend to follow up a vigorous workout with an unhealthy snack. So even when we do exercise, we tend to nullify the benefits of that exercise with compensatory eating. That's why most workouts just don't work out. But don't get me wrong, exercise is still great for health. Exercise has been associated with improvements in health outcomes ranging from coronary heart disease to Alzheimer's disease to depression. So maybe we should reconsider prescribing exercise for weight loss and instead promote exercise as a tool for general well-being.